Crypto 2-minute tutorial. How to add the Avalanche Network to your MetaMask wallet. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to add the Avalanche Network to the Networks tab in your MetaMask wallet. Step 1. Go to CoinMarketCap. In the search bar, type in Joe. Go to Trader Joe XYZ. Connect to a wallet. In this case, we're using MetaMask, so you want to click Connect to MetaMask. Switch to Avalanche Chain. Allow this site to add a network. We are adding the Avalanche mainnet C chain, so approve. Switch network. You now have the Avalanche mainnet C chain in your Networks tab within your MetaMask wallet. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel.